Today, we will set out on an adventurous journey where a river is not just a flowing stream of water, but the very heartbeat of life itself. Welcome to the Mekong Delta, the lush green heartland of Vietnam. In the first video of our Vietnam trip, we arrived in Ho Chi Minh City from Kolkata and the very next day explored the mysterious Cu Chi tunnels. Now, in the second video, we will drift into the Mekong Delta for a boat journey.
So from the Cu Chi tunnel, now we are proceeding towards the Mekong Delta. It will take 2 hours of time, but it started raining outside.
We had taken a combined tour of Cu Chi tunnels and the Mekong Delta from a local tour operator for $50 per person, where transportation, tickets, lunch and evening snacks, everything was included. After an amazing experience at the Cu Chi tunnels, the relaxing boat journey at the Mekong was so fulfilling. But this is more than just a boat ride. It is a deep dive into a living culture. The Mekong River, one of the lifelines of the Southeast Asian civilization, stretches about 4,350 kilometers. It is the 12th longest river in the world and the 7th longest in Asia. Rising from the Tibetan Plateau in China, it flows through Laos, Myanmar, Thailand and Cambodia before finally spreading across Vietnam's vast plains to meet the South China Sea.
And we get on there, we're gonna go around the island and we're gonna go to the traditional music song was performed by the different women in the Mekong River. Yeah, and you try 5 different types of fruit. They can have like guava or watermelon or the chiku or something like that.
We will have the lunch at first, then we will go to the Unicorn Island.
Our boat stopped for lunch in Bến Tre province, the very heart of the delta. Here, endless waterways are lined with thousands of coconut trees. No wonder it is called the Coconut Kingdom. In small village workshops, people make the famous coconut candy. The smoke of wood-fired stoves and the touch of hardworking hands give birth to these sticky sweets. Visitors not only watch but also get to taste them. Candies that carry the innocence of villagers, a touch of childhood nostalgia and the earthy essence of Vietnam.
And we cook for 2 hours, 1 more hour, in total like 3 hours. Candy with the peanuts inside. Try it. And without any sugars. It's like the sweet in a natural way.
But one of the Delta's most intriguing traditions is snake wine. A cobra or python is preserved inside a glass bottle of liquor. Locals believe it has medicinal properties, strengthening the body, curing ailments, and boosting vitality. Science may not agree, but this mysterious drink remains a fascinating part of the Mekong culture.
The more the better.
The more the better. You're such a Polish.
I will try one.
You want to try it?
Who wanna try?
I want to try.
Come on, Christina.
Okay, the more the better.
Oh, it smells like sake. Cheers.
It tastes like sake also.
You?
No.
For the farm Mekong.
It was a nice experience to taste the local Vietnamese dish in our lunch.
Hello.
Hello.
Where are you from?
From India.
From India.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go 2 kilometers.
Yeah. Many tourists from India, right?
Yes.
Many from India?
Yes.
Yes.
On the quiet winding waterways of the delta, small wooden sampans are rowed by determined women. With bamboo oars in hand, conical non-la hats on their heads, and an unwavering strength in their eyes. For generations, this has been their way of life. While men work in farms or go for fishing, women row boats to support their families and educate their children. As tourists glide through the maze of waterways under their skilled hands, it becomes clear Mekong is not just a river, but an unstoppable life force. And these courageous women are its living spirit.
The water is a bit muddy, but enjoying the experience, completely natural, na?
Come here in Ho Chi Minh to enjoy this royal
Royal?
boat ride.
No, it's not royal,
What not?
but it's real.
Real.
Real and the raw beauty. And the hard work of these Vietnamese women. Sudeep was telling this is real equality, equality in society. See, even the women are working so hard.
Take rest, take rest, take rest.
Yes. Hello. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye. See you.
See you. Both 2 person, okay? Thank you. Bye bye. Bye.
To provide a taste of the local culture, the tour was filled with meticulous details of Vietnamese day-to-day life. Very tasty tropical fruit was served with soulful folk music of the Mekong, sung by the local women. Through their voices echoed the tales of love, sorrow, hope, and dreams. Their songs felt like the Mekong River itself, a timeless tune flowing through generations.
Em có chờ lâu không, mưa đừng giọt mà em tuổi thân em quá, bao lần đợi hồi lo.
And with this lingering music in our hearts, we headed out for an evening snack.
Happy and you know with your eyes. If you're happy and you know with your eyes. If you're happy and you know that I really want to show. If you're happy and you know with your eyes.
Kamkot.
This one is comfort.
As dusk fell, we sipped honey lemon tea before boarding the boat back to the Ho Chi Minh City.
Thank you. Visit again.
This is the end of the tour today, and thanks for joining us. And don't forget to go back my country in the not too distant futures. We have more time, energies, and money. I want to keep you guys stay longer.
Tired yet fulfilled, we leaned back in quiet reflection, busy in planning the next day's journey.